Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change password of your Facebook account. So this tutorial is going to be very helpful for beginners who doesn't know how to change their username or password. So first of all, open the Facebook app. If you already have an app, normally open it. On the other hand, if you don't have, you have to download it from the Google Play Store. So normally go to your Play Store. So search Play Store here, log in with your Google account and search your Facebook. And after downloading the app, normally open the app. So here you can see that I already have downloaded it. So I'm gonna update it. And then open the app. And you will see the interface of your profile here. Normally click on this vertical line bar. And then you have to choose settings and privacy. Choose settings from here. And from here, click on this box. And now choose password and security, and from here choose change password. Choose the profile again, provide your current password now here, and provide the new password here. Retype the new password, and finally click on this change password. And now Facebook is going to send a verification code to your phone number normally. So paste the OTP here and choose continue, and press again on this change password button, and that's it. Now we know how to change our Facebook password. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.